Brown bird is a bully. But the house finches, all they want is a little bit of food, and that brown bird is not going to share. Look at that. We have a pair of house finches, a male and a female. And this little brown bird here is just, he's hogging the food. Wow. Guess there's one in every species. Yep. All right. Well, I'm about ready to get up and put a stop to this. I am. There he goes. Now he's going in. There he goes. He went in for the food. Good. There's his wife. There's the male and female. Excellent. And there's the other house finch. Okay. See, there's enough there to share for everybody, guys. Everybody. There's the other bird up top. Oh, he's coming in. Oh, good Lord. It's a fight for, look at that. It's a fight for the food.